Oh, don't shoot me, please, don't shoot me. I'm begging you, don't shoot me.
It is over.
Oh, cut this job. I don't like this thing you are doing. Okubi, is this what I paid you
This is
for?
not my standard. This is not my standard. You cannot be shooting with toy gun like this. Give me professional gun. I will give you professional acting. Have you watched Merlin? Go and check those people that were running around the background. I was there. And we they carry those sticks, they run around. And we.
So you mean you need a real gun?
Of course.
Okay, that's why we have security men on guard. Inspector.
Yes.
Please, borrow us your arm. Let's use your arm on set.
Bring that gun. Bring it. Come and give it to him. Let us shoot something.
Please, let's roll this. Delete that tape. Let's roll it.
You think say they wise?
I'm ready.
Right, DOP, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
On scene 14. Roll tape. Action.
I'm sorry. Please. I am so sorry. Please.
This is plain.
Good. You are doing well. You have killed it. Yes, I love that job. I love the job.
I told you. You see? How do we roll?
I guess it's a wrap. You can roll it. It's a wrap. Please pack up the gadgets and let's move in. Okupi, you are doing well. It's a great job. Inspector, please come get your gadget. Let's go. It's a wrap. Okupi, nice. Okupi, we are done now. We are done. It's a wrap. Get up. Let's go. Okupi, we are done now. We are done shooting. Okupi, don't die. Back camera. Let's go.
Don't die, you. I don't murder the movie.
For Jesus! No, wow. Some people too do.